Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today we're doing carpet on a landing. So without further ado, let's take a look at the job we're doing today. Right, I think the first thing we'll tackle is how to get that carpet to go over the step. You start cutting from this point. And you count 3 steps along. You get to the 3rd step, you stop, and then you make a straight line back towards yourself. Then you make your second cut along the side of the nail post, and then you give it a good stretch. And make a V cut in the corner, and then you cut down and fit. And as you can see, you have more than enough carpet covering that top step. By simply following that rule, count 3 steps in and then make your cut, you will always have enough carpet going over that top step. And as you can see, I'm using my plastic tucker to bolster in the top step, because I forgot my bolster in the van. Now that we've got the top step out of the way, we should continue fitting the rest of the landing. I always like to use a touch of adhesive spray when I use existing grippers. I think it's time for us to hit a time lapse, and I'll see you on the other side of the time lapse. Well, here we go. 3 doors left and we'll be all finished. So let's crack on. Hey there, I'm just about done with this one. If you like these type of videos, like, share and subscribe. Do leave a comment. And any videos that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.